So we'll start with section B. First one. What is the nth term? We have to find the nth term of GP AR, AR square, AR cube, so on so forth. Now over here, first term T1 which is equal to A. Now what is the first term over here? First term क्या है यहाँ पे?
AR.
Is
AR.
Is AR. So A is equal to AR. Common ratio R is equal to T2 upon T1, which is equal to AR square upon AR, which is equal to R. So common ratio remains same R because A cancel R raised to 1. Now we have to find the nth term. So Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. Dhyan dena please. Therefore, Tn is equal to what is A? A is AR into R raised to n minus 1. Now, how do we solve this? Dhyan do. A into R is basically A into R raised to 1. So, which is equal to A into R raised to 1 into R raised to n minus 1, which is equal to A into R raised to 1 plus n minus 1. Dhyan do, x raised to 1 into x raised to a minus 1 is equal to x raised to 1 plus a minus 1. So 1 cancel, which is equal to x raised to a. Similarly, a into r raised to 1 into r raised to n minus 1, that is a into r raised to 1 plus n minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, which is equal to a into r raised to n. So Tn is equal to a into r raised to n, answer. Now, second one is very simple. Find the common ratio. So find R. For what? For of GP 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, so on and so forth. So now first term A is equal to 0.1, common ratio R is equal to T2 upon T1, which is equal to 0.01 upon 0.1. Now directly take the calculator and solve it on the calculator itself.
0.1.
What answer are you getting?
0.1.
0.1.
Which is equal to 0.1. Now A मिल गया, R मिल गया, और यही हमें फाइंड करना है. What is the common ratio? So very simple sum. Third one. Find the sum of 20 terms of GP. Find sum of 20 terms. So S20 of GP 7, 7, 7, 7, dot. Now in this, A is equal to 7. Can you tell me what is R equal to?
1.
upon 7, which is equal to 1. Now we have to find S20. So over here the formula is Sn is equal to n into A for what? Where R is equal to 1. Therefore S20 is equal to 20 into 7, which is equal to 140. Answer. Got it all of you? Formula याद है सबको? Here we cannot use Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. We cannot use this formula. Question number 4. If in a GP nth term is given by is as Tn is equal to 2 raised to n plus 1, find R. So in order to find R, first let's find out T1. So T1 is equal to 2 raised to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 4. T2 is equal to 2 raised to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8. Therefore, R is equal to T2 upon T1, which is equal to 8 upon 4, which is equal to 2. Answer. Question number 5. For numbers 4, 1, y are in GP, find y. Now it's very simple. Okay, the numbers are GP is 4, 1, y. So T1 is equal to A, which is equal to 4. R is equal to, rather than doing this, let's directly do it. T2 is equal to 1 and T3 is equal to 1. So we will take the formula T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2. So let's check. T2 is 1, T1 is 4, T3 is y, T2 is 1. So 1 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा 1 square. Therefore y is equal to, y upon 1 is also y, so directly also you can write 1 by 4. Answer. 1 into 1, 1 square. Okay, which is equal to 1 only, so 1 by 4 is the answer. Now, for a GP, sum of any two consecutive, it means total of any two consecutive term is 0, then what will be the common ratio? Now over here, it means what? So we go for the first method. Now as per the first method, the total of two terms is 0. So we take first term is equal to A. So second term will be equal to what? It means A plus second term, A plus T2 is equal to 0. ओके तो ये T2 क्या हो सकता है? If T2 is minus A, then only it will be 0. So A plus of minus A. So A minus A is equal to 0. Therefore R is equal to what? T2 upon T1 minus A upon A is equal to minus 1. Therefore R is equal to minus 1. This is one method of doing it. Let's go to the second method. Now, sum of two consecutive terms. So S2 is equal to 0. So Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So therefore 0 is equal to A as it is. Wait, let me take one more step. Therefore, S2 is equal to A into R raised to 2 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Therefore, 0 is equal to A into R raised to 2 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Now, R minus 1 multiply with 0 will become 0. So, therefore, A into R square minus 1 is equal to 0. A division में चला जाएगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. Again, so R square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, R square is equal to 1. Therefore, R square is equal, R is equal to, therefore, R is equal to plus or minus 1. But we cannot take it a plus 1 because S2 is equal to 0. Therefore, R will be equal to minus 1. So you can use either the first method or the second method. We have done a similar sum that the sum of 5 consecutive number was 0 and we had to find R. So here if first number is 2, second number will be 2 into minus 1. So minus 2. So 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 which is equal to 0. So this is the concept over here. All of you understood this? Okay, you can do any method. It's a 1 mark sum. So you can go for the first method also. But you should understand this concept that there are total of 2 consecutive terms. So if one is positive, other is going to be negative. Question number 7. For a GP, if S7 is equal to 15 and S6 is equal to 11, we have to find the seventh term, T7. So now it's very simple, students. We go to this formula, Tn plus 1 is equal to Sn plus 1 minus Sn. So T 6 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7 minus S6 which is equal to S7 minus S6 is T7. Therefore, T7 is equal to 15 minus 11. Therefore, T7 is equal to 4. Answer. Question number 8. Now we have to state whether the statement ABCD are in GP then AD is equal to BC is true or false. So let's check out. So T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to B, which is equal to AR, T3 is equal to C, which is equal to AR square, and T4 is equal to D, which is equal to AR cube. Now A into D is equal to B into C. So A is A, D is AR cube is equal to B is AR and C is AR square, which is equal to A square R cube, which is equal to A square R cube. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence AD is equal to BC is true.
Can't argue with the truth. सर दूसरा भी कर सकते
कौन सा?
A D upon A is equal to D upon C ratio वाला.
हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं. Yeah, that also we can do. Yeah, we can do B upon A is equal to, this is what you are saying, B upon A is equal to B upon C. Yes, so here cross multiplied, so AD is equal to BC. Yeah, we can do this also. That is T2 upon T1 is equal to T4 upon T3. That's right, Shubhankar. Correct. Question number 8. State whether, question number 9. Question number 9. State whether the statement T1 is equal to S1 is true or false. Yeah, can you tell me the answer for this? ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है?
True है.
ट्रू है because T1 is also equal to A and S1 is the first term, so S1 is also equal to A. Therefore, T1 is equal to S1 is true. Section C. Question number 3. If in a GP common ratio R is 1, S8 is equal to 24, find A. So Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So S8 is equal to A into R raised to 8 minus 1 upon R minus 1. Now, hold on. We can't use this formula, students. ये formula हम use कर सकते नहीं है. ये formula हम use कर सकते नहीं है. क्यों? Because over here R is equal to 1. So we have to use this formula. So I want you to write this and cut it so that you don't make a mistake in exam. Now, ध्यान दो. Since since R is equal to 1, Sn is equal to n into A. So S8 is equal to 8 into A. So therefore 24 is equal to 8 into A. Therefore A is equal to 3. And what will be the GP over here? GP will be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Because R is equal to 1. Important. Question 4. T1 is equal to 2. Product of first three terms is 1000. Product of first three terms is equal to 1000. We have to find R. So over here now, T1 is equal to A, which is equal to 2. T1 into T2 into T3 is equal to 1000. Therefore, A into AR into AR square is equal to 1000. Therefore, A is 2 into 2R into 2R square is equal to 1000. Therefore, 8 into R cube is equal to 1000. So now 1000 divided by 8. So R cube is equal to 125. Therefore, R cube is equal to 5 cube is equal to 125. Therefore, R is equal to 5. Answer. Question number 5. You have to do it on your own. Question number 6. You have to do it on your own. Question number 7. For a GP, A is equal to 4 by 9 and R is equal to minus 3 by 2. Find T3. So let's find it. Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So T3 is equal to 4 by 9 into R is minus 3 by 2 whole raised to 3 minus 1 is 2, which is equal to 4 by 9 into 3 threes are 9 by 4, 2 twos are 4, which is equal to 1. Therefore, T3 is equal to 1. Answer. Question 8. If the common ratio of a geometric progression is 2, find the ratio of seventh and third term. So T7 and T3. Okay, so let's find it out. Nothing to worry. Now, T3 upon sorry, ratio of T7 and T3. So T7 upon T3 is equal to A into R raised to 6 upon A into R square, which is equal to A cancel. This will become 4. R raised to 4, which is equal to 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 16 upon 1. Therefore, ratio of T7 is to T3 is equal to 16 is to 1. Now, can you please show section 6, question 6? Okay. Question 6 is given to me for solving. Okay, so I'll solve it, not to worry. Question 6. Now, which term of GP is 4, 12, 36 is 324. So this is which term? So we have to find Tn for this. So A is equal to 4, R is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. We have to find the nth term. Okay. So Tn is equal to 324. So 324 is equal to 4 into 3 raised to n minus 1. 4 division में चला जाएगा. So 324 divided by 4 is 81 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 1, which is equal to 3 raised to 4. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, n is equal to 5. So T5 is equal to 324. Got it? Harsh?
Sir,
Huh?
section C नहीं section B.
Sorry?
Section B में रखे थे.
Okay.
हाँ.
Now, Nishka,
Sir, તમે solve કરેલો છે.
you? Okay, you
તમે
want to...
solve કરેલો છે.
Okay.
મારો last લખવાનું રહી ગયું છે.
Okay. Now, Nishtha, are you there? Nishtha,
Yes.
now you had a doubt that how we got the minus A. So we go to that sum. Now, in this sum, here it is given that two consecutive terms. So what are two consecutive terms? T1, T2, T2, T3, T3, T4, T4, T5. They are consecutive terms. Is 0. Unka total. So when it can be 0, say for example, 2 plus some number is equal to 0. So what can be the value of A? This 2 will come this side, so it will become minus 2. So therefore 2 plus minus 2 is equal to 0. How? 2 plus of minus 2 is equal to 0. And that is why if the first term is A, the second term will be what? It will be minus A. And that is why we took first term as A and second term as minus A. And we got R as minus 1. Got it, Nishtha? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So homework may you have to do today section B and section C.